In this video, I want to talk about a brand new affiliate network that's taking the internet by storm. It has a unique approach and it is waiving out all the previous affiliate networks. And I'm going to give you the explanation and all the details in this video why this network is one of the best networks to join right now and how you can start to make commissions by promoting other people's products. So let's dive into this video and let me explain the difference between this network called OfferLab and other networks, especially Clickbank. So when you come to Clickbank, you know Clickbank is a digital marketplace that has thousands of digital products, and Clickbank's been there since 1990s. They have paid out over $4 billion to their affiliates. They have been one of the best networks, especially for beginners. So normally when a person comes online and he wants to jump into affiliate marketing, the best place to get started till date is Clickbank. And the reason is because Clickbank pays on time. You don't have to do any kind of accounting. They make the structure very easy for you to choose when it comes to choosing a product, and everything else is very smooth and nice. You just have to do the settings, put your account details inside, and then the rest is taken care for you from Clickbank. And every time you generate a commission, after the refund period, which is 60 days have passed, you'll just receive your payment. You'll receive your payment straight into your bank account. Clickbank has recently started to do some physical products as well, even though it's on a very less and lower scale. But yes, you can promote physical products, and they do have a physical product in some of the niches like health and fitness, which you can promote. But the most part, where Clickbank is more popular, is all about digital products, where you can promote digital products. And yes, you can start to drive traffic and start making some good amount of money. Clickbank doesn't pay you tier 2 commissions. Clickbank doesn't have a structure where you can become a premium member or a verified member. So you get basically you are prioritized in everything. Let's just talk about the other network that was recently launched, and that's taking the internet by storm. The affiliate network is called OfferLab, and this has been launched and created by one of the top internet marketers called Russell Brunson. Okay, his name is Russell Brunson. You probably know him. He is the creator of a software called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a based software where you can build landing pages, webinar pages, sales funnels, etc. It's one of the great softwares, and he has shifted his business from funnel building to an affiliate network called OfferLab. Now OfferLab is completely different to the previous or the other typical networks that you see, especially with Clickbank. What is OfferLab? OfferLab is not just an affiliate network, but it's a way for you to make a lot of money on the internet. How does OfferLab works? When you decide to join OfferLab through a referral, not just that you are auto approved to promote that person's product who referred you, but actually every time when you promote a product, that person's product, on top of the commissions, you get 2%. Also, whenever that vendor generates a sale, you get 2% as well. Alright, so they're paying you extra 2% from that person who referred you to. And when you refer someone, and if he decides to launch a product on OfferLab, every time you generate a sale, the referrer will get 2%. So just say John referred Michael onto OfferLab, and Michael was a top vendor. He had a couple of products and he decided to launch his products on OfferLab. Now guess what? Every time his products generate sales, okay, whether he's generating sales through affiliates or from his own traffic, the referrer, who is John, who referred Michael, John is going to make 2% commission. This is called autopilot commission, just for referring him. Okay. At the same time, they do have a premium membership. So you become a premium member. Now there are certain criteria that you need to meet when it comes to earning this 2% commission. Okay, but you can skip that criteria by joining and becoming an OfferLab premium member, certified member. Now the certification cost is $497 one-time payment, and this certification will allow you to instantly unlock all the top features, including earning 2% commissions, extra 2% commissions for every person you refer from his affiliate sales and from the vendor's affiliate sales. Okay. The other part is that every time, once you become a certified member, you qualify to earn this commission too. So for instance, once you join OfferLab and you become a certified member by paying the one-time payment of $497, you have become a certified member, which means you qualify to earn this commission, and they will pay you 100% commission, no cut. So every time after you become a certified member and you refer someone to OfferLab and they decide to upgrade to the certified membership, that $497 goes directly into your pocket. Okay. Now, what's the benefit of becoming a certified member? Every detail is explained within the dashboard, and also you could go into the help center. They have the AI service all automated that explains everything for you. Now, this certification is not available on Clickbank and other networks. It's only available on this brand new network called OfferLab. And you get paid 100% commission, remember that. And that instantly qualifies you for all the features, unlocks all the features, including earning 2% commission on every affiliate sales and vendor sales from your people who you refer to this network. Now, you can also launch a product on this network. And the good part is that to launch a product on this network, they use an AI software that does all the heavy lifting for you. So for instance, if you have a product and you have a website address, you just have to smash in the website address into this network, and guess what? The AI will go out there and create a beautiful, attractive sales page for you, which you will be able to launch and start selling your product. So let me just show you. If I go to sell, you can see here that I have a couple of products that I am already selling on this network. Okay, now if I wanted to create a new product and I want to sell it, I will just come here, click on new offer. I will just put in a quick name here, and then they will ask me, well, do you have a website where you're selling this product? And I'll just paste in the website, and guess what? AI will go through my entire website and create me a beautiful sales page which I can launch my product to, and I can use it to sell products and have affiliates promote my product. That's the beauty, and that's a unique feature that OfferLab offers to their customers, and other affiliate networks do not offer these type of features. Okay, so let me just go back. Okay, so you could see here I have 3 different products that I am actually selling. I have affiliates. You could pay up to any commission from 0 to 100%. Okay, so you could have affiliates promote your product. You could pay them 100% commission. You could have upsells. If you don't know how to launch a product, you don't know how to create these long sales pages. If you just have a website with your product on it, just paste in the website, and the AI will do all the heavy lifting for you. It will launch your product. It will create the sales page for you, and it will go out there and do everything for you. Okay. Let me just go into one of my products that I'm selling down here. Okay. So if I just want to go into this product, you will see here, you could come here, you could check your affiliates here, you could go into the sales page here, you could go into the settings here. Okay, you could see the offer status on the right hand side, you could see the marketplace, you could see the network. Okay, the commission that I am giving away, the product price, the product price that I'm giving away down here. I'm paying up to 75% commission here. Okay, and very cool features that you have. Like if you go out to Clickbank, let me just tell you one more thing. When you go to Clickbank, first of all, you will have to have your product your own self. You'll have to create it yourself. The sales page has to be created. Everything has to be ready to be launched on Clickbank. But when it comes to OfferLab, if you don't have all of this, you just have a general website, that's more than enough. Just give them the website address and they will just launch the whole entire product for you using AI. Okay, that's number one. Number two, when it comes to Clickbank, to launch a product, they're going to charge you, I think it's about $50 at this current moment. You'll have to pay $50 to launch a product on Clickbank. OfferLab is completely free. You can launch unlimited products for free to have affiliates promote your products. Okay, so these are the cool stuff. Now, if you want to promote a product on the marketplace, you just go to the marketplace. Then you're going to find a couple of options down here. Explore e-commerce, digital goods, coursing and coaching experience. Okay, you can see here, these are products ranging from, like, they have high ticket products, low ticket products. You can see here, look at this product. This product is selling for $19,700. Check this out. Look at this. $19,700. That's another feature that this network has, that you can charge any money. Okay, this is not available on Clickbank. Clickbank has a certain limit that you can charge up to, but look at this, $19,700 per year, and in 7 joins you're going to get paid $3,940 in commissions. Okay, what is the product all about? Founder City license, only 10 available. Promote one of the hottest launches on the OfferLab marketplace. The Co-op Business Club is releasing. Okay, if I say I want to promote this offer, you just go here, okay, and you just drop in who you are, what you're all about, give them the details, and he will just check your request and then approve you if he wants to approve you. Okay, so you can find different type of products. They do physical products as well. They do digital products as well. They do e-commerce, coursing and coaching. If you just go to course and coaching, okay, you can see this is a physical product down here. You will see that most of the product prices are very high, but the commissions are quite low. Okay, so if I just come here, you can see here products like $197. This is $797. Check this product out. This is for $2,997. How much commission is being paid? Let's just check this out quickly. So they're paying 30% commission here. Okay, if I scroll down, I will make up to $2,910. Okay, no, $29.10. Sorry, $29.10. But if I go to the bottom, I will make up to $899.10. Okay, so you can just promote their products. Just choose a product and start joining it and start making money. Okay, now if you want to come across this network and you want to join this network, okay, here's a link popping up on the screen. You could just head over, open up a new tab, and open up this website that's popping up on the screen. Just go to this website address and create your free account. Once you create your free account, you will be auto approved to promote my products. Okay, and then if you want to promote other people's products as well, then you will have to actually request a manual. You will have to put in a manual request to approve their products. Okay, so you will be auto approved for my products. So just head over to this website address that's popping on the screen, open up a new browser, go here, so you can join this network for free, plus get auto approved to promote my products. If you have any kind of question, just leave a comment for me, let me know. Okay, if you have any kind of question, if you want more in-depth details on how to launch a product on this network, just leave a comment, let me know. And if you really want me to go into deep dive inside of the differences between this network and all the top networks with a very detailed video, just leave a comment and I will create a brand new video showing you step by step how to do this. Okay, also if you want me to show you how to launch a course on this and how easy it is to do this, let me know in the comment section box, and I will create a brand new video showing you step by step how to launch a course, how to actually go into this and start having your own course for you to sell, and for having affiliates to promote your product where you can pay commissions. So let me know in the comment section box. I hope you love this video, you like this video. I will see you in the next video.